Good morning, everyone. I am Samesh Srivastava from BCA third year, and today I am here to give my presentation, which is given by Raju sir. Today I am going to deal with a problem which is based on statement, which it is statement-based problem. Let's see what our statement is. Our statement problem is, hey, the person named David, and we have to calculate his net payable salary, and by taking its basic salary as input, and we have to calculate HRA, special allowance, and PF deduction, which is 50%, 75%, and 12% respectively. So let's move to code. So this is our code. Here we first imported our scanner class, and with the help of that scanner class, we take input. Then we created a class named salary and a variable int BS. BS is basic salary. Then we created a constructor, and we take input of basic salary here. Then we created a method named calc, and we created 4 variables, which is HRA, SA, PF, and NPS. HRA is 75% of our base salary. Special allowance is HRA is basically 50% of our base salary. SA is 75% of our base salary. Provident fund is 12% of our base salary. Here NPS is net payable salary. So we are calculating here NPS, which is base salary plus HRA plus SA minus PF, which is provident fund. We subtracted provident fund because it is the deduction in our net payable salary. So here we printed our net payable salary. Then we created our main function. Here we created object for our salary class, and we called our calc function for the calculation. Let's run the program. Firstly, let's compile. Our program is compiled successfully. Let's run our program. Let's give a basic salary of 5,000. So our net payable salary is 10,060, I think, which is correct. We inputted our basic salary 5,000, net payable salary is 10,060, and that's all. Thank you.